Imagine for a moment living in a world where the horizon stretches out indefinitely flat. What a peculiar vista, isn't it? This is the essence of the flat Earth theory, an idea as old as human civilization itself. Historically, many cultures believed in a flat Earth. It's an idea that's been around for millennia, persisting even into our modern era. Despite the overwhelming scientific evidence that our Earth is an oblate spheroid, a surprising number of people still subscribe to the idea of a flat Earth. But why? Some point to a deep-seated mistrust in scientific institutions. Others are drawn to the allure of conspiracy theories, the thrill of being privy to hidden knowledge. In a world where we've sent humans to the moon and rovers to Mars, the belief in a flat Earth may seem confounding, yet it persists. So despite overwhelming scientific evidence, the idea of a flat Earth still holds a certain appeal for some. Now let's explore the implications if our Earth was truly flat. Imagine a world where our understanding of physics and astronomy is completely turned upside down. The laws of gravity would have to be rewritten, and the sun, moon, and stars would no longer revolve in the same predictable patterns we're used to. Our day-to-day life would also be dramatically affected. Navigation, for example, would be thrown into chaos. The GPS systems that we rely on are based on the Earth being round. Air travel, too, would have to be completely rethought since flight paths are calculated based on the Earth's curvature. And then there are the truly bizarre consequences. The idea that people living at the edges could fall off into space is a staple of flat Earth lore. Imagine living with that kind of fear. As you can see, a flat Earth would turn our understanding of the universe on its head. But the Earth isn't flat. Let's delve into why. For centuries, humans have accumulated evidence that our home planet is indeed spherical. The first piece of evidence comes from something we've all seen: photographs from space. These images, captured by numerous satellites and astronauts, consistently show a round, rotating Earth. Another piece of evidence lies in gravity, a force that pulls everything towards the center. On a flat surface, gravity would pull things towards the middle, and we'd feel heavier the further we move from the center. Yet, our experience tells us otherwise. We feel the same weight whether we're at the North Pole, the equator, or anywhere in between. Lastly, consider how ships appear on the horizon. If Earth were flat, we'd see the entire ship at once, but we don't. The ship appears bit by bit, with the top appearing first. This is because our planet is curved, not flat. So, while the idea of a flat Earth is intriguing, the evidence overwhelmingly supports a spherical Earth. To sum up, the flat Earth theory is a fascinating relic of the past. We've traversed its basic tenets, delved into its implications, and contrasted it with the overwhelming scientific evidence that supports our understanding of a spheroid Earth. These discussions have taken us on a journey across centuries and cultures, reminding us that our perception of reality is always evolving. While it's fun to imagine a world where the Earth is flat, the reality is far more complex and even more fascinating.
Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and like the Curiosity channel for more thought-provoking content.